Hello friends, I am Mohit Kukureja. I am the co-founder and CEO of Twitch Enterprises. It is based out of Delhi NCR. We have got a team of 30 people working with us. It's a 4-year-old organization. Now talking about the awards, I just recently got award from Galaxy Group called Emerging Leader of the Year. It gives me so much satisfaction because it has been given in front of many realtors, and it gives the satisfaction that we are giving good services to the customer and we are adhering to the market trends. Now I will talk about what recognition means in the market. If you are recognized, you get customers, more and more customers, because they give you become the eye of the basically street, and you get a lot of recognition from the customer also. So it gives me a lot of satisfaction that I got an award from the CEO of the company. And now I will talk about the trends in the market. In Delhi NCR market, if you see post-COVID, basically the demand for villas and big apartments, ultra-luxury apartments has increased. People are going towards it, and in Gurgaon, the margin start from 5 CR to 10 CR. Now I talk about the journey, how it started. I work with various realtors and post that with developers like Demac Properties and True Valley Homes. After that, I started my venture because I get experts. I got a lot of experience in this field, and a lot of investors are working with me. So we started with 2 people, and now we have a 30-member team. We are going to expand to 50-member team in next 1 year. Currently, we are working in Delhi market, Gurgaon market, Noida, and Ghaziabad. And post it, we will go to Goa and Mumbai also. So that is our vision for the next 1 year. But we want our customer service to be the best in the market so that investors make money. That is our mantra. But we are now we will talk about the real estate trends which is happening in the Delhi NCR market. Delhi NCR market, 2 areas are going very good. One is Dwarka Expressway, where the average ticket size is 15,000 rupees, and it is going to be 25,000-30,000 in the next 5 years. Because if you go to Gulf Road, the minimum average ticket size is 30,000 rupees. And go up to 60,000 rupees per square feet. So this margin which you can make at Dwarka Expressway, and the second is the SPR Road, that is also giving at 12,000 to 30,000 rupees per square feet. There you can make money. So for investor, my advice is once you shortlist a product, see the RERA number, check the legalities, and then go for it. That is how you make investment. And we are there to make that checks and balances and give you the best service. Currently, we are working with Galaxy Group in Delhi and with Gurgaon, balanced by Shobha, and we are ATS. These are the 4 builders we are working in, and in Delhi we are working with 3 builders. So currently we have a portfolio of 10 builders with 30 projects. Now we are going to increase in next 5 years to 30 developers with at least 100 projects, because we are going to set up an office in Goa and Mumbai also. So that is about me. Now I will talk about the trends in the market, how the things are going, how people have to stay away from fake commitments by the developers or from the realtors. That is basically, you have to find a good location first. You have to get the people inside, and you have to check the papers first. Then you sign out of it. And please, my suggestion to all of you brothers, don't invest in any pre-launch, because then the RERA is outcome. Suppose you have given a 10 lakh of UI, and the RERA is coming after 6 months, and maybe the RERA may be cancelled because the drawings may be not good. So that is the money. Instead of making more money, you lose your own money also. My suggestion to us, when the project is launched, RERA number is there, you check all the drawings and check the reputation of the developer, whether he has reviewed 5 to 6 projects or not. So in that, Delhi Galaxy Group is the best. They have 7 projects in Noida extension, and now they have started 1 project. They have delivered in Swazi 18. It is in basically sector 18 only, and they are working on Swazi Heights. It's ultra-luxury apartments, and there are 3 more projects going. 5 projects they are going, and they are coming with ultra-luxury apartments in Lodi Road and Civil Lines. So they are the best developers right now in the market in terms of delivery, in terms of giving customer satisfaction. Even let's you book at 5% with them and you don't want the apartment, they will give you back the refund. No developer gets that. So that is and my suggestion is to stay away from Noida extension and Noida small builders, because they will make fool of you. Now I talk about how you can start to get investors on board. Firstly, you have to understand their need and do the need analysis. Basically, in need analysis, you have to sit with them and understand which location they want and what is the price point they are looking for, and the tenure they want to keep as an investor and as a buyer, as an end user. That is first we do. We sit with them and shortlist the location they wanted and then ask for the price budget they have. Once they're satisfied, we give them the project, that we go with them, show them the project, and then they shortlist it. After that, we do the negotiation and close the deals. उसके बाद क्या होता है, बेसिकली जब कस्टमर क्लोज हो जाता है उसके बाद उसको सर्विस देनी होती है, उसको हैंडओवर दिलवाते हैं फ्लैट का, और देन वी गिव द आफ्टर सेल सर्विस. सारे के सारे पेपर उसको बनवा के देते हैं so that he gets the full satisfaction. Even after closing with him, we keep on hanging. We do a lot of relationship building. We send on butter the cakes on the anniversary of things. उससे क्या है, कस्टमर बने रहते हैं और यही कस्टमर आपको रेफरेंस देते हैं आगे. This is how it goes. Now I talk about what investors and buyers have to see in the market before investing. First, they need to check the RERA number of the builder. Then they have to sit and understand what is the project like. What it is basically a residential or commercial. Next, know what is the things. So then you have to do the due diligence, check their papers from the DDA or from the authorities, and after that, once it is clear, then you do the 10% down payment, followed by a construction plan. Now, there are some investors who want to kick out between, as if they pay 40%, get the BPA done, and they want to exit the market. So that leverage, you have to sit with the developer and understand that the transfer of documents is free or not. If that is then you can do it. Because एक प्रोजेक्ट को खत्म होते 2-3 इन्वेस्टर हाथ धर जाते हैं. गुड़गांव में ऐसा चलता है. दिल्ली की मार्केट थोड़ी स्लो है उस मामले में. दिल्ली में एंड यूजर 40% है एंड इन्वेस्टर 60%, एंड गुड़गांव 80% एंड इन्वेस्टर 20% एंड यूजर. So that is the thing we advise. Check the RERA number, check the legalities, after that do the deal. Now I will tell about the areas where investors need to invest for next 5 years. In Delhi, it is basically Lalas Road, Rohini and Dwarka. These are the 3 beds where development will happen and price will load 10% CAGR for next 5 years. So you make 50% if you keep it for 5 years, and for long-term investors who keep it for 10 to 15 years, the multiple will be 3 to 4. So that is the way you go about investing. If you are investing 1 CR in Gurgaon or Dwarka Express, so most likely after 5 years, it should be become at least 1.5 CR. I'm giving the lower figure because people also think on a higher side. Normal terms से चलेंगे तो 1.8 होगा, but I always tell them no, because customer satisfaction is the first. And if they keep it for 10 years, your 1 crore will become 4 crore. It's a multiple of 3 to 4. So long-term investing is always good because the liquidity in this thing is very slow. You cannot liquidate apartment after 1 year because it will take at least 2-3 years to get you a good trade. If you want to go with 5%, then you are basically a trader, not an investor. An investor takes 5 properties, they leave it, and they see after 5 years what is the price. And they sell off 2 properties and pay the balance payment. So this is how the investment does. For end users, the entire technique is different because the end user, he has to see the delivery. He always takes your possession only. He will see the quality of the walls, your tiling and all the things. He will come 5 times and then he will close the deal. So this is the difference. Investor will do the first meeting only because he is investing. He is investing at first price point, and the basic end user are taking at the last point, and they loan also. And the best thing to check the credibility of the builder is apply for some role. If you get approval, that project is good because the legal paper. If we talk about the Delhi NCR market, why it is dynamic? Because the demand is for the ultra luxury apartment as well as the commercial side, retail or shops also. These are in bigger demand and they are going to grow. Because if you see the office space are very much utilized and your shops are also there. So these two things are going to grow by 5% CAGR for the next 5 years. And if you go for ultra luxury apartment, it will take some time because rates are very high. I think in golf course, one apartment, there is a name, the Godrej property, which has come with NCR of apartment starting. So the people have big pockets over here. So nothing to worry, but the product should be good. They look for the entire furnishing inside the apartment and then they sell it. So Godrej, there are few professional groups who are working. One is Godrej, one is GLF, Proba, and your Prestige. These are the 5 groups which are going to take the market away from the lower developers because they have maintained the quality. You know, DLF is taking a 20% premium over the market because of their quality and delivery. That is how it will go in the real estate. You build a brand and then sell it. You will get a good premium because no default is there from the DLF. They deliver all the things. They have got good market space also, and they are, you know how much money they are getting from leasing. 1,000 crore they make because they are not solar shops in the malls. They are maintaining it. And ma'am, सर जो भी आप अभी इन्वेस्ट करते हो रिटेल में, उसमें ये देखा करो डेवलपर आखिर तक है. डेवलपर का भी कुछ स्टेक होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज द मेंटेनेंस विल नॉट हैपन. You see the example of Rojari Garden Mall, Central Mall. All are dead because it has been handed over to the association, किसी ने maintain नहीं किया और अभी हमें कुछ नहीं चल रहा. अभी सिर्फ एक ही मॉल चलता है दिल्ली में, classic mall, because the owner has 10% of the shop inside. So that is the one big rule you have to say. The builder has to stay inside. Now I will talk about the outstation market like Goa and Mumbai. Mumbai is a really mature market. There Lodha is there. Lot of big developers are there, and their per square feet is 50,000 rupees. Starting from Borivali to the Kandivali, the rate is average 40 to 50,000. Very, very strong market, but the return is only 5 to 6%. If you see the return, it is more in Delhi NCR. Dwarka Expressway, SPR are the main hot trucks. There the return is close to 10% CAGR. CAGR is basically computed average return. You take for a year. So that is the way it has to go. You have to invest at the lowest price point and exit at the highest. उसके लिए आपको पूरा का पूरा प्राइस सर्वे करना पड़ेगा, देखना पड़ेगा डेवलपर्स कितना प्राइस दे रहे हैं और उससे कितना नेगोशिएशन हो सकता है. सो बेसिकली ये मार्केट नेगोशिएशन की और कुछ नहीं है. How you negotiate? Go to the developers and tell him I am working with them. तो दे देंगे आपको. डिस्काउंटिंग के लिए हम भी बैठे हुए. I have put a write in 2 projects. Basically, 2 projects को underwrite किया and I got the highest step and give the entire discount to the customer because अगर customer satisfied रहेंगे आपको तो और business आएगा. Currently, we have got 100 to 150 investors who are there on board. We are going to increase to 500 by next 5 years. So that is our motto. And we get the full service. We are available 24 by 12 hours from them. That is how a realtor grows. Now I will talk about my journey in this industry. I started with the insurance sector and then finally shifted to one realtor or 2 realtors, worked there for 3 years. Then I moved to the developers, worked there for 13 years. My last assignment was with True. I left that company as senior vice president, came back to Delhi, and then I started this company in 2020. Now it has been 4 years and we have a revenue of 30 crores per year. And we have to expand like anything in next 3 years. We have a target of 100 CR in the 3 years from now. That's why this business is so good if you understand a property consultant, not a property broker. You work as a property consultant, give the consultancy, you will make good money. And you get the investor on board, you will never have a fear that you don't have it. Business is plenty in the market, we have to identify the targets.